Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box. Now this is the $25 a month box. So I got my box pretty late this month. There was a delay in the base box and I'm still waiting on my premium box. So I'll film that unboxing whenever I get it. Anyways, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of this base box here, showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right on into this video. Alright, so as usual, I did use some of the makeup products in here off camera. I did a trying on of that while I was doing my makeup. So I have opinions on the makeup products, or at least some of them, but to save time, I don't show that on camera. So let's start out with the product that I customized, because you are able to customize one product in the box. So I chose the Trestique foundation stick. It's a refillable foundation and all that stuff. So this retails for $30, and I did try this, like I said, off camera, and I did not like it. So here's what it looks like. I'll show it to you guys first. I'll tell you why I didn't like it. So, for starters, the shade wasn't the best for me, but that was my bad because I'm the one that chose the shade. Because you do get to choose what shade you are. And the other thing is honestly, I just can't find stick foundations that work for me, and this one just didn't work for me. I mean, it went on like pretty creamy for it being a stick foundation, but I just found that it didn't look good on my skin. So the reason why I didn't like it is it just didn't look good on the skin. I have more drier skin, so I do have like dry areas sometimes, or like dry patches, and I just found that this foundation just clung to those areas, and it was really like a slippery formula. Like I couldn't really get it to blend into my skin. You could see it on my skin. Sorry, you may see a fly buzzing around. But yeah, it just didn't blend in right, and it just didn't look good, and it made my foundation really slippery, because I did have to go in with another foundation, because obviously this one wasn't working for me, so I went on top of it with another foundation, and I found that the foundation started slipping on me. Like I would brush my nose or something, and it would just come off. And I didn't dig into my nose. I just, patted it, and it just was slipping off. And I believe it was because of this foundation, because that foundation doesn't usually do that on me. So I didn't like it. This was a bust for me. Maybe someone with, I don't know, if oily skin, it would do well for you. I don't know. It may just be my skin texture. It just didn't work for me, so that was a bust. And then next thing in here is some skincare. I'm going to get the skincare out of the way. So first up is from AMNH, and it is a Unicorn Dreams whipped body butter. Not butter. It's a whipped body butter. And this retails for $20. At first, I thought this looked kind of weird, because it's kind of weird looking. It looks like food almost, but it's not. In the bottle, it's actually kind of pretty cool looking. And at first I was like, what is this? Now this stuff is thick. Like, you think you're going to dip into it. No, it is thick. But it does actually feel really nice on the skin. I haven't used it all over my body yet, but it feels like a thick butter. I would definitely call it a butter, because it feels kind of it feels thick and kind of greasy almost, but not like a bad greasy. Like once you kind of rub it in, I don't really feel it there anymore. It kind of makes my skin feels soft, but it's definitely thick, and it does feel like butter. So the name it's true to its name. But I will say, this smells really, really good. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know if it says the scent. It just says Unicorn Dreams. But it actually smells really good. And I'm going to be completely honest, when I first saw this in my box, I was like, ugh, what is that? This looks dumb. But I'm actually kind of excited to use this now, because, like I said, I kind of tried it out. I mean, I just kind of put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I was like, okay. I can see this working for me, and then the smell of it smells really good, so. Alright, and then we have something in here from Glow On Fifth Beauty. It is a refresh and reset brightening mud mask. Now, if you know me, I am not a fan of masks. I don't care for them, but a mud mask kind of sounds interesting to me because I have heard that mud masks are some of the better masks or some of the best masks out there. I really don't like sheet masks. I just find that they don't do anything for me. But this one kind of looks interesting. And I'm kind of curious as to what it does and what it will do for me. So I'm curious to try this one out. And this retails for $30 if I didn't already say. So I'm curious about that product. 2 more products and then we're done. So the next thing is from Seraphine Botanicals, and it is a Primrose Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. Now, I didn't try this out because I'm not going to keep this because I'm honestly just not a big fan of cream products. I don't like them. I know, I don't know. I just don't like using them because I have a makeup routine that I'd like to stick to, kind of like the steps that I do, which I know shouldn't be like a big deal, but I like to powder and set my face and all that, and I just find that cream products, you kind of have to do it differently. You have to do your foundation, then you have to put your cream products on, and then I don't even know if you can set your face. You probably can, but I don't know. I just don't like it. If it's a cream product that I can put on top of powder, then I'll probably use it, but if not, then I'm not going to reach for it. Anyways, here's what it looks like. This retails for $42. Holy crap. And then here's what the shades look like. And the shades honestly look a smidge too deep for me. Maybe I could get away with the middle shade, but that'd probably be the only one. I'm not going to swatch it or anything because, like I said, I'm not keeping this. I may pass this on to a family member or maybe put it in a giveaway or something, but I'm not interested in cream products. Not right now, at least. But $42, dang. Seems kind of pricey for like a cheek and lip palette, but that's just me, I guess. Alright, and then last but not least is something from TFB, I think is what it's called. Trust Fun Beauty is what the name of the brand is, and it's a Better Than Therapy lip oil. Oh wow, I forgot. I didn't even show you guys the card. Man, I'm out of it. Here's the card, by the way. I'm sure you guys have already seen what it looks like, so. I mean, who cares about the card? It says invite only is the theme. My bad. Anyways, Trust Fun Beauty Better Than Therapy lip oil. This retails for $18. And it did say, I think I read on it, that you can put this on its own or you can put it over a lipstick. And I put it over a lipstick, and that's why the doe foot is kind of dirty looking. Because I tried to clean it off, but it didn't come off very easily. Anyways, it's like this really nice looking lip oil. It does have like some light sparkles in there. You may not be able to see it, but it does have like a little bit of shimmer in there, but it's not chunky. I did put it on today, and I will say it does feel pretty hydrating. It is on the thicker side, and although I did put it on a liquid lipstick that dries down, it did pick up my lipstick a little bit. You know, that's why the doe foot's pretty dirty, but it feels really nice. And I could see this working out really well just on its own. If you want to kind of like do a no makeup look, I could see this working out really well because it is very hydrating and it does have a little bit of that shimmery in it, but not too bad because I really can't see the shimmer really on my lips. So, but it is really, really comfortable. So I do really like this, and $18 is not too bad. Alright, so that's everything in my box, and now I'm going to tally up everything, and then I will tell you guys what my overall thoughts are on this box. Alright, so the overall value for my box is $140, which isn't too bad considering I only paid $25 for it. Alright, so let me do like a run through real fast. So, these products I did not like. The foundation didn't work for me, and I don't like cream products. So these were a bust for me. And then the rest of the box, I have this lip oil, which I do really like, and I think I will get some good use out of this. And then the 2 skincare products. So we have the mud mask, and then we have the body butter, which I am pretty excited about the body butter. And the mud mask does sound pretty nice, so I'm not too mad about that. So overall, I'm not blown away by this box. I don't know. I'm pretty disappointed that I didn't get a palette or anything, like aside from like an eyeshadow palette. Obviously I got this palette, but I don't even count that as really a palette. And to be completely honest, I really don't like these things that are like cheek and lip things. I hardly ever use them. So yeah, this is a really downfall for me. But yeah, I'm pretty disappointed I didn't get an eyeshadow palette. I was really hoping I'd get one this month, but yeah, it's not my favorite box. It's not the worst I've ever gotten, but it's definitely not great. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Did you guys get Boxycharm base box this month? And if you did you guys like what you got? And let me know down in the comments because I love chatting with you guys. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!